This projector honestly does it all. I'm so excited to share about it. So I received this in exchange for my review, so let's get into it. As you can see, here it is. It has a really cute look to it. It has this cute little dog on the top. It has some nice control buttons right on top, and it also has some different spots for different cords like your USB or HD, etc. It has this nice little speaker, but you can also attach a speaker to it if you wanted to. And of course, once you take off the cap, this is where it will project. Also, it does come with all of these different cord options, which is fantastic, and it comes with the remote, so you can definitely use some of these cords to hook them up to your computer, but it also does have Bluetooth, which is super nice. It's extremely easy to use. I just plugged it into the wall, I pressed the power button, and then it turned on. It also comes with this little cleaning cloth to clean the projector lens. That way, especially if you're outside, it can stay nice and clear. What's really great about this is that it has this little metal stand, and so you can adjust it so it can fit on your screen perfect. As you may notice, it is not filling this whole screen at the moment, but you can by going into the settings and adjusting that. Also, you can change the focus so it is nice and clear on the screen, and it also already has all of these great little apps pre-installed like YouTube or Netflix, and it's so convenient. You honestly don't need a TV when you have this, but if you wanted to, you could absolutely connect your phone or your other different devices to this. Seriously, this is one of the nicest projectors I have ever had in my entire life. If you are looking to get something like this that does it all, that already has the pre-installed apps, I would highly recommend this one. It's very nice and high quality and has a very clear image. 4K is supported and it has a 1080 resolution. Anyways, I would highly recommend.